Hello everyone, and thanks to Gaspé for offering us again this video recording. This is the third municipal video status report of the town of Gaspé facing COVID-19. It's 4 p.m. on March 18th. I will cover new initiatives that the town will take. For other measures, I refer you to the previous videos on our website or on our YouTube channel. Today I will focus on 3 new measures that we have taken and on other initiatives in progress. So today I am therefore announcing that we will give families, citizens and businesses time to breathe financially. We postponed last Monday the first deadline for payment of municipal taxes to April 13th. Now we are pushing to May 31st, the first deadline, without any fees or interest. Furthermore, we will also postpone the other 3 deadlines by 2 months as well. In short, the payment normally due on March 31st may be postponed until May 31st without interest. And the second deadline of May 31st will be postponed on July 31st, etc. We don't want the town to run out of cash, so I encourage people who do not have financial difficulties to pay their taxes bill on normal deadlines. But for those who cannot, we give you additional delays. We also encourage you to make payments online, by mail, or through our financial institutions. The second initiatives of the day, we will close the town hall to public visitors. We will put a bell at the door for delivery from suppliers. And if you need to talk to an employee, use the phone or the email, please. Third initiative of the day. We have chosen to keep the LET, the dump, and the ecocentre open. However, the ecocentre will temporarily receive no hazardous materials since they require manual handling and we want to avoid any contamination of our employees. So keep it at home, and when we can receive it again, we will tell you. As other elements on which we are in action and in steps, here are 4. First, I had a regional conference call this morning to coordinate with the departments and other municipalities in the region. In short, we organize ourselves locally and regionally. 2, I have some requests from employees and employers' businesses with a lot of concerns. I put on my prefect's hat and I asked my economic team from the Côte de Gaspé MRC to consolidate all the government measures available to employers and employees and to publish them in a simple format. We are also working on measures at the MRC to help our businesses, in addition to federal and provincial governments. It's a work in progress, and I invite you to follow those initiatives in the future. 3, I also have concerns among our vulnerable people. I don't want anyone to be forgotten. Sick people and people over the age of 70 were asked to stay at home. I also know that many volunteers are over 70 years old. So in short, I asked the social development team of the MRC to coordinate with the CISSS, with the volunteer action centers, with Accueil Blanche Goulet and Vision Gaspé per se now, and to ensure that people in isolation are reached and that they lack nothing that is essential. We will also validate if these organizations need additional volunteers. I will follow up on these actions tomorrow because I have just made this request this afternoon. 4. At the airport too, in addition to what we have done so far, we asked for support from the CISSS and the public health to deploy people on the ground during the arrival of regular Air Canada flights. Normally, all international travelers have already received information about quarantine. But I prefer that they received information 3 or 4 times rather than being forgotten. Again, I will give you a follow-up tomorrow if our request has been accepted. In conclusion, it completes my message of the day. Thanks again to all the people that are respecting the quarantine. Thank you also for collaborating by limiting your trips in public, frequently washing your hands, and obeying government requests. We are still at 0 cases of COVID-19 in Gaspé. Let's continue to do this fight together. Thank you, everybody.